In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable live caption in Google Meet. If you want to make meetings easier to follow, turning on live caption can be a very helpful feature. Live captions display spoken words as text during a Google Meet call, which can improve clarity, support accessibility, and make it easier to keep up with the conversation, especially in noisy environments or when audio quality is not perfect. To begin, make sure you are already inside your Google Meet session. Once you are in the meeting window, look toward the bottom area of the screen where the meeting controls are located. You'll need to find the three-dot menu, which is the More Options button. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the additional settings and tools available for your meeting. After the menu appears, look through the list of options and click on Settings. This will open a settings panel where you can adjust different meeting preferences. If you do not see it right away, just take a moment to scan the menu carefully, because the layout can sometimes look slightly different depending on your device or browser. Inside the settings area, find the Captions section. Click on Captions to open the caption-related options. This is where Google Meet gives you control over whether spoken dialogue is shown on screen as text. If you use captions often, this section is worth remembering because it's where you can manage this feature whenever needed. Once you are in the Captions section, look for the Live Caption option. Click on Live Caption to enable it. After turning it on, captions should begin appearing on your screen during the meeting as people speak. Keep in mind that the accuracy of captions can depend on things like microphone quality, speech clarity, background noise, and internet connection. So for the best results, it helps if speakers talk clearly and avoid interrupting each other. That's all you need to do to enable live caption in Google Meet. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in making your meetings more accessible and easy to understand. If the captions do not appear immediately, give it a moment and make sure audio is being picked up clearly. Thanks for watching.